How to change aspect ratio in the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now you can see I have added a video, just like this. Now to change the aspect ratio, tap onto the video timeline itself, just like this. After that, here you can find the crop option just right here. Now select it. Now to change the aspect ratio, you can simply find it right here. Now choose one that you want to add, just like this, and tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the aspect ratio has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the aspect ratio in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.